In front of me, I have one of the biggest rarities in Japanese military arms collecting. A Hino Kimura semi-automatic blow-forward pistol. Pretty far ahead of its time. This was in the early phases of semi-automatic pistol development. They manufactured only about 500 of these between 1904 to 1912. It was designed by an Imperial Army lieutenant at the young age of 20 years old, Kumazo Hino. And he set up, with financial backing, a factory called the Kimura Gun Factory. He was backed by Tomohiro Kimura and only put out a small amount of these in that span of time. Of the 500 believed to have been made, there's clearly a lot less surviving examples. These never come up for sale. This example in front of me is one of the rarest items to ever come through Rock Island in terms of military arms. This is serial 126. It's chambered in 8mm Nambu. They actually made these in a continuous serial range in a variety of calibers. There are about 5 calibers or so. They kind of switched back and forth on which caliber they made as they went through the production of them. Let's take a look at how this thing works. This is what really sets this thing apart. To load this thing, it's actually magazine fed. To load it, the first round, to put it in the chamber, I grab the side of the barrel here, this protruding barrel, and it has serrations on either side of it. So I grab it, pull it forward, and the barrel sits forward like that until I pull the trigger. And that fires the first round. And after the first round fires, it automatically throws the barrel forward and is ready for firing of the next round. So semi-automatic function with blow forward. What an incredible piece. The magazine in this thing really resembles a Luger of the time. It releases from the bottom here, and it looks similar to a Luger, which this is also what the Nambu pistols used anyway. A similar style, not the same as what you're looking at here. All in all, this is a pretty polished system for the time, and it really didn't gain any success. It was a failed project after that short amount of time. So Hino designed this pistol with the intent of selling to China to arm the revolutionaries during a heated time. Although this pistol had a failed track record and only so many were made, it actually impressed the Japanese military so much to the point of where the war minister personally endorsed an application for a world patent on this. There's actually a US patent relocated upon describing this, and then it also on the back of it has the Japanese patent number 7165, which shows how it all works. And it was originally patented in 1904, so it's considered to be the model 1904 in my hand. The US patent is dated 1908. It was filed, I believe, in 1904. It took about 4 years to be granted. But just a spectacular piece of military history in my hand. If you'd like a chance to own this, don't miss your shot. It's for sale in our August premiere sale.